Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set a sleep timer on your DREAME 43Q100 TV. First, press the gear button on your remote control and click on the gear icon on your screen to open Settings. Then in Settings, scroll down to System, and in System, select Power and Energy. Then in Power and Energy, select Shut Off Timer. And here, if you want to set up a sleep timer from now on, then select the last option and select the value from this list up to 120 minutes. And this will enable the temporary timer, which will be enabled from now on. And if you want to use timers that will work all the time, like when inactive and when watching, then select values from this two lists. So this timer will turn off your TV automatically after 4 hours of watching a single channel or a single media, and this will turn off your TV after 24 hours of inactivity. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.